Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make a video go viral, how to get it go viral, and this method actually works way better if you're building, it's way easier if you're building a non-monetized channel, and you can do this really quickly, and it's super easy if you're building a non-monetized channel. It can work if you're building a monetized channel, but it's gonna be a little bit harder because you will have to create those videos by yourself. You will have to film them by yourself and all that stuff. But if you're building a non-monetized channel to sell them quickly for a few $100s or even $1,000, then this can be very effective. So what you will do is you will find a viral video using the techniques that I showed you. So you will search for example, think of some niche, think of some keyword, think of something, for example, as it was on the screen, like Minecraft, or search for football, or search for make money online, business, internet marketing, or search for affiliate marketing, or whatever it is, or search for some compilation. That's even easier, and that even goes more viral. Maybe, for example, search for funny babies compilation, cool cars compilation, or stuff like that. For the sake of this video, I will search for animals, and what you want to do is, of course, filter by this week or this month, and then filter by view count, and that way it will give you all the viral videos. But you must be sure, as I said, you must be sure that the video has a lot more views than the channel has subscribers. So this video has 12 million views in 5 days, and normally you would think like, okay, this is super viral, but it's actually being watched by all of those subscribers, so it's not worth replicating. So for example, this one 4.2 millions and they have 6 million views, it's not worth, and so on and so forth. This has 1.5 million views and has 1.2 million subscribers, but it's even not worth it because it's like a small difference in those numbers. So we will skip all of these. We want to find some video that has less views, that has more views than the channel has subscribers. So let me just find some for you. 68,000. No. These guys are hiding their subscriber count, so it's not worth it. Okay, this one will work perfectly because it got 59,000 views and they have only 1,000 subscribers. So OMG, lion attacks leopard to steal they prey, big battle of animals in the wild. So you will just click on that, and what you want to do is, as you can see, it got 59,000 views and they have only 1,000 subscribers. So what you want to do is just copy the video URL, and then you will go to YouTube. You'll go to YouTube in MP4 and you will download that video. So you will find some, maybe this one. You will find some converter. You will just format MP4 and just start a download, and you will download that to your computer. And then I'm going to show you a live example on how you can actually optimize your video to make it to get at least, like, if they got 60,000 views, how you can get at least 6,000 views out of those 60,000. If they got 600,000 views, how you can get at least 60,000 views. So I'm going to show you all of that inside of this video. Let me just download this again once again. I will show you everything. Let me just go to YouTube, back to YouTube, and you can just do this over and over again for as many keywords, for as many videos, and you can maybe post like 5 of these videos per day, and that way insanely boost your channels and build them really quickly, because most of your videos will go viral with this tactic. With this method. So oops, an error has occurred, so I gotta search for some other YouTube in MP4. Obviously, as I said, some of them will not always work, so you have to use different providers, different websites. So this works. I will just download this. Okay, it's downloading, and I will go back to YouTube and I will upload that to my channel. Let it just load right here, and I will just select files to upload. Let me just find that. Here it is. OMG, lion attacks leopard to steal their prey. And what you want to do is just simply change the title a little bit. You know, you want to make a similar title, but not the same. But not the same title. So, for example, I will say like, for example, make something clickbaity, like insane. Lion attacks leopard to steal the prey. So let's see what we can do right here. Maybe lion fights leopard to steal the prey. Amazing battle of animals in the wild. Of animals, I'll just leave it like that, of animals. And what you want to do is, of course, copy the title URL. So everything that I showed you previously on how to optimize your videos, you'll just paste that over here. And then the next thing you want to do to boost your engagement, because as I said, engagement is really important. So you will go back to your YouTube channel. It's this one. You will go back to your YouTube channel and you just want to enter sub. Let me just do that. Sub. Oh, where it is? No. Sub confirmation equals 1. You will copy that. You will go to bit.ly.com, so bit.ly or bit.ly.com, and you will create your subscribe for free. I think I already have this, so yes, I already have subscribe for free. Okay, you will create your short URL for sub confirmation. You will go back here. You will say like maybe free or something like that, and you want to paste your URL, and all the people that are coming to your channel will see this URL right here, and like most of them will click on it and they will automatically subscribe to your channel, and that will boost the engagement. And as I said, that's one of the important things to make a video go viral. The next thing is, the next thing is optimize your description. You want to add as many keywords as you can related to this. You will maybe write a brief description of what is happening inside of the video, what this video is all about, and stuff like that. Then the next thing you want to do, let me find that video once again. You want to copy their tags. So let me just find it. You want to copy their tags if they have any tags, of course. So you will use either vidIQ or TubeBuddy to do that. So you will just copy their tags right here. They have like 10 tags right here, and you will just paste that over there, and that's all you will do. Then the next thing is to boost your views. You will just copy their URL and you will say like inspired by let me just leave a URL right here, inspired by NTV Animals, inspired by NTV Animals video called, and then you will just paste the video title right here. Just paste the same title right here in the description, and what that will do is, as I said, YouTube will see that your video is really similar to this one, and it will like all of the people that are seeing this video will see your video in the suggested column, and since they already clicked on this video, then they're already interested in such things, and they're more likely to click on your video as well. They're more likely to watch your video as well, and that will boost your click-through rate. So that way those are two ways that you're boosting your click-through rate and the engagement with this URL right here. And then the last thing that you want to do is create a similar thumbnail to this one. Maybe you can even do the same thumbnail but change the effects a little bit in canva.com or photopea.com or some free video editing software that you find online. Or you can, if you have any skills for Photoshop, then you can use Photoshop and create a similar thumbnail to this, or just search for leopards on Google and just do that real quick. And as you can see, it took me less than like 5 minutes, maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes to create to do this. And if you can do this in less than 10 minutes and then find another viral video, post that as well, and you can definitely create at least like 5 to 10 videos like these, and you have higher chances to get more and more views over and over again, and that way boost your channel to the moon in like 7 days or less to gain like hundreds of thousands of views. And then out of those hundreds of thousands of views, gain thousands of subscribers. So definitely it's a great way to get and boost your video to make it go viral. And this is how you can do it for non-monetized channels. For monetized channels, you will have to find a viral video and then to recreate it, create a similar video to that one. Maybe film it by yourself or find some compilations by yourself, edit that by yourself and that stuff. Because if you just copy and if you just repost this video then YouTube will notice that, and you will get like a copyright in your video, will get demonetized, and your channel will get demonetized. So don't do that. Don't do this strategy if you want to sell monetized channel. If you want to sell non-monetized channels, then definitely do this. It's very, very effective. It's really, really fast, and it's super, super easy.